lot of smoke coming from the fires up north of me in Washington State. Not too far from the border. I'm trying to figure out what the name of that peak is over there, that little hill. Right there. Curiously smoky or foggy over here. I heard fire engines or sirens earlier today. Let's drive up the road and see what's going on. Sun shining off the ocean. Must be a calm day out there. Part of the Sand Lake Recreation Area and the Pacific Ocean. Whoa. Right there. That darker line. As far as I can see in the ocean. It's pretty smoky. Hope everybody's safe and they get the fires out up north and south and anywhere else there's fires. What's that over there? What is that? What is that? It's a rotten lamb. A dusty, rotten lamb. That's what it is. It's a dusty, rotten lamb. Have a good one.